Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare latest Samsung Galaxy M20 and Realme Pro 2. And find out the best one. Both Galaxy M20 and Realme Pro 2 have 6.3-inch screen, with 409 pixels per inch. However, Pro 2 is 0.3 mm thicker than M20. Realme Pro 2 has shown a huge improvement in camera setup, as the front camera is 16 megapixels while rear camera is dual 16 and 2 megapixels. On the other hand, M20 has a 8 megapixel front camera, while 13 plus 5 megapixels rear camera setup. M20 is available in 4 and 3 GB RAM, with 32 and 64 GB storage options, while Realme Pro 2 is available in 8, 6 and 4 GB RAM, with 128 and 64 GB storage options. And yes, do not worry, you can add extra storage in both smartphones. Samsung Galaxy M20 has Exynos 7904 chipset, with 1.8 Octa Core Processor, while Realme Pro 2 has Snapdragon 660 chipset, with 2.0 Octa Core Processor. M20 has a huge battery setup, with 5000 mAh battery, while Pro 2 also has a large 3500 mAh battery. Although M20 have higher specs, still its price is almost $70 less than previous Realme Pro 2 smartphone. Both smartphones have a better screen protection. Both smartphone will operate under old Android Oreo. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options along with SD card slot. However, both devices do not have any water and dust IP protection. You cannot use any of the smartphone to pay any kind of bills, as they do not support mobile payment. Both smartphones do not have wireless charging as well as fast charging options. For security, both devices are equipped with rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. However, no Face ID or face scan is available. M20 is available in ocean blue and charcoal black color. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.